everybody. So today is Sunday, January 15th. We're going to be having steak for dinner, as well as some, I don't know if you can really see it yet, it's still kind of cooking, cheesy hash browns, and then probably beans. We've got kiddos out here playing. Her new little favorite thing to do is grab a hold of brother's hair like a mad woman. Watching the Packer game. They seem to be sucking at the moment. Not really watching it, just kind of going back and checking the score here or there because I'm not a big football watcher. So, yeah, that's the kids. I did want to say I'm kind of impressed. I painted my nails, quite a few days ago, and I don't know if it really will zoom or not here. Let's see. Or focus actually. But they're not shipping or anything, so that's nice. I don't know how to get this stupid thing to focus. I don't know. Maybe I don't have autofocus. Who knows? So, no chipping or anything like that. Looking pretty good. Just kind of slowly growing out, I guess. So that's pretty nice. Just got done working on states and the abbreviations with my son. That's a mess. Gosh. Remember doing that in school? It's been so long. What's going on out here, kids?
First of all, Grace is shoving her foot down my pants.
She doesn't know better. Don't break that. Grace was very tired today. She got up early. She got up at 6:30. Took a little 20-minute nap this morning, and then was up. And then
if you try and kiss her, she'll turn her head. This thing keeps kicking in. I don't know why.
Keeping it warm. We got a little space heater going.
I don't know why.
That's a pile of Grace jeans and blankets over there. I don't know why we got that going on. But anyway, she took a short little nap this morning and then was up for most of the day, but then from noon to 3 she napped. So I've been up ever since. So it was almost 6 o'clock. So eventually we're going to get her some supper going. Today's the last day for squash. And then tomorrow we shall move on to, I think we got sweet potatoes. So she did rice for breakfast this morning. Gave up on the oatmeal for a day. Rice is easier on the tummy and she's kind of gassy. So, alright, we'll check back later. Bye. Alright, so we're practicing rolling. Let's see if we can touch it on the thing. Ready? Let's see if she does it. Which way is she gonna go? Oh, nope. And over. That's what she does every time we try and do tummy time. Come back here. Which way is she going to go this time? Which way? Oh! Sometimes she gets stuck going this way. Are we going to get over? There we go! Oh, you did it! You're a smart baby. Yes, you are. Yeah. See, we tried to puree up some green beans for her, but they seem pretty gritty. I don't know what we're going to do. They're fresh from the freezer. We warmed them and got them soggy and chop them up, but we're going to try them. I don't know. I'm sitting in front of the TV, so she's looking at the TV. Wait, do you want to roll over one more time? Okay. Let me put the camera down and flip you on your tummy. Ready? Now hold on. Don't. Whoa! She gets some force. She could almost roll back over to her tummy going that way. You sure do. Let's see here. Come here. Now, we gotta get your hands right there, people. I think I'm setting you up for flipping. Okay, ready to go. We might have had enough. We're starting to put our head down. I think we've had it. I think I've gotten my 5 minutes of tummy time out of you. You can do it. Get mad and flippy over. There you go. Yay! You did it! Oh, 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 oh. You did it! Here's your little ball. She can get back over to her side from her back, but she can't go all the way yet. You don't even care. You're watching TV. Hey. Hello. What? What? Oh, you can't eat it. That's probably making people nauseous. We're done doing that. Say bye. Goodbye. That darn thing is still going. We got your toys all over. We got keys. We got your little rattle in there. We got your Chewy toy. We got your alphabet. All your toys back in the corner. Oh my goodness. So is he spoiled? Bye-bye. Oh, that thing shut off. Alright, bye-bye. You got something to say? Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. Really? Really? Whoop.